Welcome to one of the world's most advanced cookie factories. Every Oreo begins its journey in a strictly controlled, hygienic environment. This factory runs almost entirely on precision machines. Each step is carefully timed to perfection. It all starts with carefully selected ingredients. Measured flour is added to massive industrial mixers. Fine sugar adds the perfect sweetness. Rich cocoa gives Oreo its iconic dark color. Liquids are added with millimeter-level accuracy.
The dough is mixed until perfectly smooth.
Consistency is checked every few seconds.
No detail is left to chance.
Once ready, the dough moves to shaping.
Even thickness ensures even baking. Signature Oreo patterns are stamped instantly.
Thousands of cookies are formed every minute.
The cookies enter massive baking ovens.
Temperature is carefully controlled.
Too much heat could ruin the texture.
Every second is monitored by sensors.
The classic Oreo crunch is born here, perfectly baked every time.
This prevents cracking or breakage. Cooling takes only minutes. Machines handle cookies with extreme care. Any imperfect cookie is removed instantly.
Now comes the famous Oreo cream.
It is whipped into a smooth filling.
Soft, sweet, and perfectly balanced.
Each cookie receives exact cream portions.
No more, no less.
This creates the iconic Oreo sandwich.
Cream distribution is inspected.
Production never slows down.
Automation ensures consistency.
The classic design remains unchanged.
Packaging is fully automated.
This keeps Oreos crunchy.
Each pack is labeled.
Boxes are prepared in seconds. Ready for distribution.
Even packaging is checked.
Nothing below standard passes. Millions are stored daily.
Prepared for global delivery.
From factory to stores. Each pack carries a promise.
Freshness you can taste.
Loved by millions worldwide.
The perfect dip.
All made possible by precision.